Hello everyone, this is your friend Ronata and welcome back to my channel Ministry of Happiness.
In today's video, you guys are going to come with me to Diamond Harbour in search of the famous silver celebrity of fish, Hilsa, also known as Ilish. Firstly, let me tell you the route plan regarding how to reach Diamond Harbour. Diamond Harbour is a small city situated on the eastern banks of Hooghly River, that is in South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal. From my place, it takes on an average of 1 hour and 30 minutes and 50 km to reach there. Now, as you all know, we Bengalis can go crazy for fish. That is like mach khabo feeling. And when it comes to Hilsa or Ilish, we can go to any extent. So, on a rainy Sunday afternoon, we suddenly made plans of having fresh Hilsa on our dinner plates. After completing our lunch, we started at around 3 pm and reached Diamond Harbour at around 5 pm. It took more than average, almost like 2 hours, but throughout the journey, all I could see was greenery all around. So all in all, it was a very pleasant journey. Once we reached there, I could see a very different look of the river. That is, rather being blue or green, the color of the water was greyish black. And since it was a dusk time, so overall my eyes could see a color rainbow of purple, orange, grey, black and blue, which was scary and gorgeous at the same time. I hope you can understand what beauty I have witnessed. Hope my camera is also doing a justice to the view. Now you must be thinking why I am moving to and fro here. Well, I was actually wishing that at least if one fish can jump out of the water and I can catch it directly. I know it's funny, but that's what I feel like. Now, as the evening slowly moved on, we had our evening tea at the river bank with slow moving steamers and this beautiful view. And then we went to the local market for Hilsa shopping. So this is a local market from where I have purchased the Hilsa. Now here I would recommend this shop. His name is Omar Manna and it is situated just opposite to the Jor Bungalow. Once you enter Diamond Harbour, the first thing you'll get is Jor Bungalow. Just check on the opposite side of it, you'll find his shop. You'll get fresh fish at very reasonable price at his shop. So here goes our happy Omar Manna. Now, after purchasing 3.5 kilos of Hilsa, it's time to go back home and make some delicacies out of it.
Guys, I couldn't shoot much after buying the Hilsa as because the intensity of the rain has increased so much that I was actually worried about driving back home. And the second reason to come back home soon was the Hilsa, as it was calling us back ASAP. So after coming back home, we freshen up quickly and my mom has made 2 dishes out of this Hilsa fish. The first one was a simple Hilsa fry and the second one was a traditional Hilsa gravy with mustard, which is also called as Ilish Bhapa. And I'm sure that most of our Bengali moms knows about this dish. If you want to know how to make this Ilish Bhapa, my mom's recipe, let me know in the comment section. I will share that with you in my cooking series. Trust me guys, the taste of the Hilsa was just awesome. It was like mouth watering, maybe because it was freshly caught from the river. And after having such a delicious dish in my dinner, I am feeling sleepy, tired and happy at the same time. So it's time for me to go to bed and sleep and have a beautiful dream after this. And if you really enjoyed watching this travel vlog, do like my video and share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.